Dirt Connections, right here, right now.
Okay, filling in a pool on the inside. Now they decided to go ahead and bust the floor on the inside and pour one new slab.
No, está bien. Vamos a llevarla bien. Déjenme llamarle un rato.
Get the conveyor belt to bring that in there. So Jonathan came out and we got 14 tons times 3. My man Flacco running a little Yanmar excavator, scooping it in there, getting the material in there. Got the old gang out here. There's my man Abel. Raul on the excavator. How you doing, baby? Alright, concrete's going to Maryland, dirt's going to McLean, digging a hole, new house. Earlier today, 4 yards to Manassas, Fernando and Jonathan are doing something. Raul's over here. Jonathan did asphalt milling late last night over in Gainesville. You need service? Pick up the phone, give us a call. You need a quarter, I'll lend you a quarter. Pick up that phone, give us a call.
Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.